Hello everybody, thank you for joining my channel. You've landed on the Chronicles of LZ and this is my story and I love it. So I'm new to the world of planning. It is the most exciting discovery I've yet made. Oh my word, I feel like I have jumped down an Alice in Wonderland rabbit hole with a whole alphabet's worth of inspiration in planning. So I have no intention on getting out of it, and if you want to join me on this weird and wonderful journey, stick around, subscribe, and pop in from time to time. This is where you'll find all things nifty, novel, and nice in aesthetics and planning.
Of course, the first stop in this alphabet is aesthetic planning. What a better place to start than unboxing a beautiful planner, my very first ring planner. I discovered VDS through Planning with Kay, one of the most authentic YouTubers I have yet come across, and certainly a big source of inspiration to me as I started this journey. Now, of course, there are others too, but I was looking for a new approach to planning. Most busy executives would tell you how they have needed to adjust their planning styles over their careers, dependent on how the themes of work in their lives have changed over time. Now, VDS certainly makes a worthy first impression, with a beautiful black box and gold foil logo on top. Simple and very sophisticated. Packaging to me is always an indication of attention to detail and quality, and also how a business owner values their customers. When you open the box, a really tasteful personal touch awaits you, and a personalized card that greets you as if your planner is speaking to you saying, "Hi, I'm your new VDS planner." Being both an intellectual and a deep creative, I needed something that would cater for both functional, flexible, and aesthetically pleasing, and I have no shame in acknowledging that I like the finer things in life, and so because I knew what I wanted, I decided to spoil myself to something a little more expensive than one would typically start out with. Now at this point in the process, I need to advise you on a few important things to consider if you are new to this journey or contemplating your first VDS. I had done my homework about my choice in leather by watching a few videos and unboxings before I made my choice. I also asked Pietra, the owner, for some leather samples to accompany my first buy so I may see in real time what they look like and make some decisions for my future plans. I must add, Pietra's personal touch in dealing with her customers is something quite special. It's a very pleasant experience for somebody making such an important purchase. It's almost like she knows this is an important relationship one is about to embark on with one's planner, and she needs to process facilitate a welcoming first date. When you make your selection, you have a few options to choose from. Going through all of them would probably take a video in its own, and it's definitely not the intent for this session. So I'll summarize for you. Your decisions are going to come down to deciding between a custom-made or a ready-made option. Being new to this, I decided to go with a ready-made choice for the first buy, and this is because I learned through watching quite a few planner enthusiasts. They truly develop their unique styles and evolve their preferences over time, so I decided to go with an off-the-shelf first buy until I've developed mine, and then to select one that is unique to what my preferences are. But for now, let me show you how these samples look and the colors that tickled my fancy. So this first one is called Poussière, and it is a feminine noun that means dust. It's very soft and elegant. My ultimate favorite color is pearlescent white and a pearly shimmer, and this leather sample certainly makes me think of that, albeit no shimmer. I do like matte too. This next sample is called Noir, French for black, and then the one after that, Palmer, which means mauve. It has a soft pink tone and it feels the same as the other two. I wanted to see these softer colors, the dusty pink tones and also the grey, because I thought maybe my next future planner would be a reflection planner in one of these colors. These leather types were a bit different. I was curious about the Croco styles, didn't know what mine would turn out like. The Sakura blossoms are close to my heart, and that Sakura color was stunning. And then, of course, the beige Croco was one that I had to decide between when I made my selection. definitely a good option for a durable, easy to clean all-weather leather. And then the acacia is another stunning neutral color for those that like neutrals. Very smooth, stunning, soft texture. And then the last sample is the undyed sample, also stunning neutral. If natural's your thing, this is definitely the one to go for. Such an elegant tone, such dynamic shades, it's suede-like, it feels divine. And the choices between these leathers are really hard to go by, so I don't know what I'm going to choose for my future option. These three are certainly my favorite three, so I'll probably choose between them. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about my Croco style either, but my Stardust Croco is so perfect. Okay, so are you ready for this? Let's see what the Stardust Croco looks like and feels like. Oh my gosh, wait, let me take all of these things out the way so that we can put this baby down on a clean counter and have this experience. This feels so exquisite. I have never felt something so exquisite before in stationery. This is so soft, so smooth, so luxurious. Let's open this. So I chose the flap divider because I just love how it rounds off the planner inside. This version has 6 pockets or slits here in the back. Another one at the bottom. It has this side pocket, and I slipped my Peugeot in there. That's what I plan to do. Look how nice and deep that is. And it's got this another big flap over here in which you can keep notes. A stunning little pen loop, and it's nice quality. I don't think that my pens will fall out of here. And then in the front here, it has similar pockets to the back with only 2 slit pockets. That top one is not a pocket. And it has a side pocket as well. And this little zip pocket, very good quality, nice and deep. You can keep some stickers in here, and it's a good quality zipper as well. I can see that it won't break. And then it has this stunning back flap which you can quick access or slip something into. It's nice and pragmatic. The ring mechanism is really good quality. It's Krauser rings. Of course, I'm somebody that prefers rose gold, but this option was not available, and so I decided, let me get the standard option and customize later. So I'll see if I can get my hands on a set of lovely rose gold 30mm rings. This is such a stunning planner. Just the most stunning piece of planner I have ever held in my hands, and it feels super special, and I feel so blessed to have it. Of course, the next step with something exquisite like this is to get it out. Compliments to the wonderful woman that I have mentioned earlier, from whom I have gotten so much inspiration and so much direction. I am waiting on a few nifty pieces from people like Crafty Brina and Sticky Monster Co. and Sticker Guru, Haru Plans, Cloth and Paper, Let's Make It Sparkle. So in my next video, I continue on the theme of aesthetic planning, and I will show you how I laid out this beautiful new planner of mine. I'm so excited, I can't wait. So thank you so much for joining in my unboxing experience. I hope that you have an awesome week, and thank you for watching.